Namaste. This is Yash Chandra welcoming you all to my channel Astronomy, no as in KNOW. Today I'm going to talk about the fifth nakshatra of this Brahman called as the Mrig Shira Nakshatra. So if you belong to Mrig Shira Nakshatra, this video is important for you. You must watch it till the end. Mrig Shira. Mrig Shira means the head of a deer. This nakshatra looks like Mrikshira. So the characteristic of this or the people born under Mrikshira nakshatra belong to that of a deer. This nakshatra it falls in the span of 23.2 degrees of Taurus to 6.4 degrees of Gemini. So this nakshatra is on the border of Taurus and Gemini, and hence you will find the characteristics of both Venus and Mercury in these nakshatra born people. Deity associated with Mrikshira nakshatra is Lord Moon. Uh, so let us talk about the characteristics of Mrikshira nakshatra. Normally, it is seen that people born under Mrikshira nakshatra have a very high intuitive power. They can sense what is going to happen in their lives. They have this very strong intuitive power for they know that what's going to happen next, and how the life is going to pave the path for them. They have the ability to sense the upcoming problem. I was watching one of the videos of Dr. Arjun Pai, a very famous researcher in India on nakshatras, great expertise in nakshatras, and he was saying that if your father or your first son has a bow-like mark on the forehead, then probably he's of Mrikshira nakshatra. Normally, you will find that people who are born with broad head, thick eyebrows, uh, you may assume that 80% you may be right that they may belong to Mrikshira nakshatra. So, if you see a deer, it will follow the trail in a jungle in a very selective way, and it is very cautious about things. Normally, it does not. The deer does not change the trail in the jungle. So, likewise, the people born in the Mrikshira nakshatra, they follow a daily routine, and for example, getting up in the morning, going for walk or jog on the same trail, going to office, having the coffee in the same restaurant or the tea in the same restaurant, uh, lunch at the same table. I mean, it becomes like a routine for them. So, just like deer follows the trail in a jungle, and the deer is very cautious, these people are also found to be very cautious, the people who are born under Mrikshira nakshatra. Uh, Such people are highly inquisitive, and hence they are a little bit sometimes nosy, and they like to be in the familiar paths where they have been there before and where they have been comfortable. They would not like to tread paths, new paths, uh, which is full of risks. These are one of those people that complete the puzzle with that missing piece, or they would complete their wardrobe with that missing accessory. So they will have that T-shirt, that denim, but the watch is missing. So they will ensure that they buy the same color watch with the same color dial matching with their shirt, or a tie matching with the suit. They are such kind of people. And people of Mrikshira Nakshatra normally they like alcohol or beer or brewing. They love chasing or being chased. As you know, that deer is chased by the most dangerous animals in the jungle, be it lion, tiger, cheetah. And these people have a nurturing nature. They like to nurture. These people are great lovers of perfume, fragrance, essence, and you will find them normally well dressed, and they use perfumes in their daily lives. They are normally found to be delicate, fragile, gentle, tender, generally peaceful, sensual, romantic, and caring. They can be good poets and authors. They are normally blessed with beautiful children. So, uh, basically, there is a story in Vedic astrology that the beautiful wife of Lord Brihaspati, Tara, had eloped with Lord Moon, and Lord Brihaspati was wild at this, and there was a time when the battle was about to be kind of fought between the Devtas and the moon. So all the Devtas came with Lord Brihaspati, and then the rest of the people came with Lord Moon, and Lord Brahma had to come and intervene. He convinced Tara to come back to Lord Brihaspati. But by the time Tara came back to Brihaspati, she was already pregnant, and she was carrying the child of Lord Moon. That child which was born, that illegitimate child which was born, was called as Lord Mercury, Budh. So basically, Mercury is the illegitimate child of Lord Brihaspati. Why I told you this story? Because people born under this nakshatra, you will find that either they are born before the wedlock, and normally it is seen that children which are born before the wedlock are found to be extremely intelligent, smart, witty, and they have a great sense of acumen, business acumen, or acumen towards academics. They rise in life like anything. So the basis of telling you that story is that uh, Mrikshira Nakshatra people, it has been seen in many cases that they have been born before the wedlock, and hence their intelligence is extremely acute. These people love nature, flora and fauna, because just like the deer wants to be in open spaces, safe spaces, natural spaces, likewise, Mrikshira Nakshatra people also would like to wander around in the nature, in the jungle. You can leave these people in the jungle for limitless period. They just love nature. They are one of those solo travelers who will just pack their backpacks and go on a solo holiday. The mind of a Mrikshira Nakshatra Jatak is always on the move. It's highly dynamic, and they're always in the search of something. They're always searching something, be it peace, happiness, food, whatever their heart asks. They are always in the process of finding something, and they're always very alert. If you find that deer is also very alert, so these people are also found to be very alert. And of course, like any other nakshatra, even Mrikshira nakshatra has four padas. The first pada is between 23.2 to 26.4 degrees. It comes under Leo, and they are found to be creative people. The second pada is between 26.4 to 30 degrees of Taurus, and it is in the sign of Virgo, so it is a earthy sign. And here it gets grounded because Virgo is a earth sign, very humble, very grounded people. Third pada, 30 degrees to 3.2 degrees of Gemini. It is a sign of Libra. It is an air element. And the fourth pada is 3.2 degrees to 6.4 degrees. That is a Scorpio pada. These people need to be careful about their relationship, about their marriage and partnership. Chart of Arnold Schwarzenegger has Mrikshira Nakshatra in Mars, and that is why you find his head a little broad and with thick eyebrows. So this was a small analysis about Mrikshira Nakshatra, which is the fifth nakshatra of this Brahmand. No horoscope reading is complete without the analysis of nakshatra under which you fall, and that plays a very important role. Not only nakshatras, but under which path or which pada it falls. So thank you for watching my video, and in case you require any consultation on your horoscope, please do WhatsApp or call me at 9742 881188 for a paid consultation. Till we meet next time for the next video. Thank you very much. This is astrologer Yash Chandra signing off.